Their property taxes are going up.
Right.
So can you explain why property tax, what I have to pay seems to be less, or what's being collected is less?
Sure. So property tax is very complex when you look at the total bill. So we are only one entity on your property tax bill. We are about 40% of your property tax bill. So the school is independent, Iowa Lakes Community College is independent. You know, all of those like come together for your total property tax. When you look at the city portion of things, the state has done a couple different there's three different classes of property. There's commercial, industrial, and residential. So industrial was taxed at 100%. And then when Branstad was governor, he rolled it back to 90%, meaning if your property was assessed at $100,000, you were only taxed like it was $90,000.
Sure.
And then the state did what they called a backfill. So they came in and backfilled that 10% to local governments. In the city of Spencer, and this is back when I was mayor, that was about $250,000, so $250,000. So industrial businesses in Spencer got a $250,000 tax break, but the state then came back in and made the city whole by sending us a $250,000. And then they stopped.
Okay.
They just abruptly stopped.
Okay.
So $250,000 got taken out of the budget.
Right.
Then 3 years ago, to deliver commercial property tax relief as well as rental property owner relief, two things happened. Rental properties used to be taxed like commercial properties at 80%. In 1 year, they said these are going to be taxed like a home.
Okay.
So the rollback a couple years ago was about 54%, meaning a $100,000 home was taxed like it was only $54,000 of value.